In order to solve this problem, we also need to follow the FOIL theory and make sure that both terms in both parentheses get multiplied by each other. So 2, the square root of 3, is going to get multiplied by the square root of 3 and by 7. And then we're going to take negative 7 and multiply it by square root of 3 and then positive 7. So first things first, 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is going to give us 2 the square root of 9. 3 times 3 gives us that 9. And now 2 the square root of 3 times a positive 7, we're going to multiply the 2 and the 7 and get 14 and just carry over the square root of 3. Since 7 didn't have a radical, it doesn't change this radical. Next, we want to take negative 7 and multiply it by the square root of 3. Also, negative 7 doesn't have a radical, and square root of 3 doesn't have a coefficient. So negative 7 is going to get multiplied by the 1 that you can't see there, and you're going to get negative 7. And again, just bring down the square root of 3 because negative 7 doesn't have a radical. Negative 7 times positive 7 is going to give us a negative 49. Now it's our job to start simplifying. In the first term, we have 2 square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3, so I'm going to get 2 times 3. In this part, 14 the square root of 3 minus 7 square root of 3, I can combine these because they're like radicals. They both have a square root of 3. So positive 14 minus 7 gives me a positive 7, and the reason that I added them together was because they both have that square root of 3. I'm just going to bring down the minus 49. So next, I simplify 2 times 3, and I get 6, bring everything down, plus 7 square root of 3 minus 49. And the last and final thing that I can combine is the 6 and the negative 49. Positive 6 minus 49 is going to give me a negative 43, and I'm just going to bring down the positive 7 square root of 3. And that will be my final answer.